Hello everybody, and thank you for being here. I'm so glad you're here for this Forex weekly forecast for the 1st of February to the 5th of February. So we finished January and now we're into the first week of February 2021. So let's have a look at the charts and see if there are any good trade setups that we can be watching for. But remember, we need to always be sure and look at the upcoming news, all right, which will usually have an impact on the movement of currencies and commodities. And as you can see in this upcoming week, there's quite a lot of high impact news. So be sure and check Forex Factory every day. We have high impact news every day. So be sure and check the website and be aware of the high impact news that's coming up in this coming week. So let's have a look at the charts and see what's going on. We always start off with gold. All right, what's gold doing? Not very much. You can see here we've got 15 trading days where it's just been in a range between 1820 and 1870. And that's all it's doing, is just fluctuating in that range. The technical analysis shows us that gold is bearish. All right, the sellers have control. So you want to be very, very cautious in this sideways trading. You certainly don't want to be buying and then expecting to hold on to gold, because it's not going to go very far. We've seen that for 3 weeks now, 15 trading days, where it's not been able to get past 1870. And it neither could it get below our support of 1820. In fact, most of the days it just came down to around 1835. And I expect that this is what we will continue to see. This shows indecision in the market. We also have strengthening US dollar, which puts pressure on gold and keeps gold from rising any further. All right, however, there is hopefully an upcoming stimulus package from the US, and they're talking now about $600 billion up to maybe a couple $1 trillion. Of course, that hasn't been decided yet. It hasn't been approved. But the talks are getting much closer to approval time, and if the packages are approved, to help unemployment, to help stimulate the U.S. economy, and these big packages that the federal government will try to provide to assist the American people, this should be a catalyst for gold to take us to higher prices. But obviously, for 3 weeks, we're in a sideways range. We're waiting waiting patiently for a breakout, and it could break lower. Okay, we don't know yet. We just have to be cautious, be patient. If you want to try and trade gold in this range, let it go up to the resistance level around 1869, 1870, and then short gold. All right, stay with the trend. The trend is your friend. Gold is bearish. All right, so try and catch those short moves. Be nimble, be quick. At these times, you cannot expect to hold gold for very long. Okay, let's look at some currency pairs. I'll go over to our 4-hour chart and see what we have here. With the major pairs, the New Zealand US, as you can see on the chart there, a lot of up and down, okay? It starts to move up and then it falls down very hard, then tries to climb back up. So my technical analysis is neutral on the New Zealand US. I won't be taking a trade early in the week on the New Zealand US. However, with the odd US, we do have a good bearish signal. All right, a clear bearish signal. So I have a sell limit. You can take a screenshot of the entry point, the stop loss, and the take profit there. It's already dropped a little bit from Friday, so let it pull back, okay, and they always do. Let it pull back. The entry price on the odd US will be 0.7660, going short on the odd US with a sell limit. Then the odd New Zealand is also bearish, okay. I have a sell limit on that. It dropped very hard on Friday, and so should pull back to our entry point of 1.0671. Then the euro odd. Okay, I have a buy limit on the euro odd All right, it moved up towards the end of the market close on Friday, and it should pull back a little bit. So let it drop back, let it retrace, and it should come back to our entry point of 1.5818. So long on the euro odd with a buy limit. Then the euro CAD. Euro CAD, I have a buy at market open. Okay, on Monday morning, buy at market open. The entry point is 1.5500. It closed on Friday at 1.5504. So buy the euro CAD at market open. And then the pound New Zealand, my favorite currency pair. All right, I have a buy limit on the pound New Zealand. It's been playing around with us, this pound New Zealand, but it does that. It moves more than any other currency pair. And when it moves, it seems like it's going the wrong direction, and it goes really hard. But we definitely have a bullish trend here on the pound New Zealand after reaching this strong support at this low level here, and it's starting to move back up. It went a little bit funny on us for a few days there, but now it's started to continue its bullish move. It did pull back on Friday, so let it pull back just a little bit more and take your entry, a long entry, a buy on the pound New Zealand at 1.9033. Okay, so I hope you have a great week of trading this week. If you have any questions or comments about any of these currency pairs or others, just leave me a comment below this video. I reply to all of my comments. And I usually make this weekly forecast every Sunday evening, so be sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you just click on my photo there, the profile photo, there will be a subscribe button, and click the little bell and you'll get notification every time I make either one of these videos or any other video. Okay, thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great week of trading wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you again next time. Take care. Bye-bye.